It's Monday morning and I woke up with a sudden urge to have a change of hairstyles. And I don't want to wait up until the weekend to get that done. But the thing is, I have to be at work every single day of the week. And I pretty much close late from work. 11:06, and I have to be at work pretty early, so there is no chance, so there's a very little chance of me getting my hair done on a weekday if I'm not doing it myself. Will I be able to do it before the weekend? Let's see. So I am really determined to get this hair done. So I'm going to be using my lunch break to pick up some hair extensions for the hair. I'm going to do that now. Alright, so I got home about an hour 30 minutes ago. So I am not sure what I was thinking, because look at all this hair. This is literally all braided. And I have all of this to go. And it's past midnight, so I don't know whether to call my mother to come help me out. I mean, Mommy! She's asleep. Obviously. Also, my hair has been breaking a lot. Like, this is just a tiny piece. There's so much more on the floor. So I'm done with this part of my hair, and then this other part, and I have all of this to go. Then I can finally retire my wig. Obviously, jokes on me. Oh boy, I can't believe if you see what's under this wig, you'll be amazed. But I'm going to try again tonight. It has to happen tonight. I don't want to have to put on this wig tomorrow. It's too hot to be wearing a long unit around town. It's just too hot for it right now. Whew. So I've been home for a bit. I got home a little, not as late as yesterday, but yeah, I'm home now, and you can clearly see that I've done a little bit right there. It's a little bit crazy. I'm still trying to get a hang of it, but I think for this part I am doing a good job so far. I have all of this to go, and I also have to skip this evening, so that's a lot to do. Plus I have a headache that won't go away. So that's that. All the videos I watched on full locks, on butterfly locks, were good, were very helpful, but the technique, it wasn't working for me. Let me show you what hair I'm using. So I wanted the free tress hair that almost every YouTuber used for their tutorial. I didn't find that, so I went for this passion twist hair from Darling Hair, called Bohemian Passion Twist, and I got it in color 1. I wanted to have gold or brown highlights, and didn't have it in, say, a gold or like anything with gold highlights, which was such a bummer, but I had to make it work. The other brown highlight ish, I got this Expression crochet braid, which is pretty much just twisted hair. That is what I use. So I just separate that, added to these ones to get like the whole brown look. I'm going to quickly show you how I do it, just in case you want to do it. Okay, so this is what I do. Once you take it out of the pack, this is what it looks like. So this is what a strand of hair looks like. Then I go ahead and split it like that, and it looks like this, and then I just try to fluff it out, so it ends up looking like this. So then I take this strand of hair, I basically braided the bottom like 3-3, and then I twisted the top, because braiding it all the way to the top was going to take up a lot of my time. So braid the bottom to secure it, and then twisted the top. So like, this is what it looks like. This is my length check. I would take this and put it through the latch like that, through the braid, sorry. Open the latch, and I put the hair into the latch and close it and pull. I'm going to keep one side short and always keep the other side long. Just start wrapping. I wrap the top a couple of times before I go down the braid, just to secure it. So, and I go all the way to the bottom. That, and then once is a length that I like, I think I'll go a little lower. I'm actually sad for myself right now, because my mother actually offered to help me today. She offered to help braid this part, and it's currently 1 a.m. What?